In a sun-kissed savannah, under a vast, blue sky, lived a small, timid cobra named Cobie. Cobie was known for his hooded glances and his shimmering, emerald scales. But he was often lonely, for he was the only snake in the savannah. One day, as the sun began to set, painting the sky with hues of pink and orange, Cobie felt a peculiar sensation. He felt a tiny, warm presence near his burrow. Curious, he peeked out and saw a cute, little meerkat named Meko. Meko was lost and scared, his tiny paws trembling. Seeing the frightened meerkat, Cobie decided to help. He slowly uncoiled himself and extended his neck towards Meko, hissing gently. But Meko, instead of fearing Cobie, crawled closer, his eyes wide with curiosity. Cobie was surprised. He had never encountered a meerkat before. Meko, too, was surprised by the snake, but he was also intrigued. They spent the evening together, with Cobie showing Meko around the savannah and Meko sharing stories about his family in the meerkat burrow. From that day on, Cobie and Meko became the best of friends. They spent their days exploring the savannah, sharing stories, and learning from each other. Cobie taught Meko how to sense danger with his sense of smell, while Meko taught Cobie how to find the tastiest insects and fruits. As the sun set, painting the sky with hues of pink and orange once again, Cobie and Meko would return to their respective homes, promising to meet again the next day. Their friendship was a reminder that even the most unlikely friends could form the strongest bonds. And so, in the sun-kissed savannah, under a vast, blue sky, a timid cobra named Cobie and a curious meerkat named Meko found a friendship that would last a lifetime. The end.